Greetings, it's August 6, 426, and I've got the latest satellite update for you. I want to pass that along. We heard a very insightful report from Perry out there at 3 Mile, watching the burning, the controlled burning that's being performed just southwest of Clinton. They're doing controlled burns up top of the hill. It's under control. It's being supervised. The situation's more static than it's been in a long time. However, it can be volatile at any time. So here's some quick stats. 22,860 hotspots total. 131,589 hectares burned. But again, this is satellite data coming from the beta system at NRC, and I'm liking it. It's I got some suggestions, but just for people in the field with larger fingers than those buttons, and you know, it's the whatever you can get your hands on. There's the mobile BC Fire Plus system. The link is down below. I keep getting the name wrong. Turn off the layers, turn on the infrared, take a look, and you might want to be turning on the lightning meter on Monday, because overcast skies are coming in, so check that out. So this is the latest fire perimeter as of 2:37 PST. I'm getting it to you 2 hours late. Sorry, I would have jumped on it if I saw something major, but I'm seeing only patterned outbreaks on the edges. That means there is strategy at work. It's like lighting paper in the middle. It burns to the outside, and that's what you're seeing going on. Those forests are dry, except in the case where Perry is. Humidity's high, temperature's low. There is the last 6 hours. That's the important bit. Where is it growing and how is it growing? Is it coming from strategy, or is it random moving fire? And it looks pretty much in the fire line. There's a couple spots that are slightly out, but the people that are looking out after this fire situation have way better equipment than what I'm showing you here on my Android. I'm trying to show you what you can find and what you can use to become independently reliant. Okay? There is the map of 12 to 24 hours plus the 6-hour map. That's the situation going on right now. But those are big giant icons. There's actually little tiny pinpricks of heat. So go check out that mobile BC Fire Plus. I don't want to put stress on that server. It's not mine. I was very graciously allowed the opportunity to test drive it. So here is the windy and 10 kilometers. This is the graphic I wanted you to see. It almost looks like clouds in the sky. That's why the wind and the weather is just so lazy and meandering and going anywhere. Think of it as water. It's going over the hills and gulches, and it's not doing much, and it's trapping the smoke. Sorry if I'm talking too fast. Okay, here's the forecast on one model. High cloud, a hint of precipitation. I'm more afraid of lightning. And then way at the end, I'm seeing a possibility of winds at 13 kilometers from the south. If you're on the north flank, that's scary. But the south has been taking it hard and winning, I think. So here's the other model. That is primarily from the west. I think that's coming in. I can barely see it. Go to windy. Check it out. Check it out in your area that you're in right now. This is the big bar cam on Dry BC. And I like going here because I get a snapshot of the tail end of that. It's like the windsock of webcams. I can tell which way the smoke is blowing for a long distance, and that's why I keep going back here. Plus, it's in an area that I particularly like the view. And so these resources are available to you. They're available to me. They're for you to use. Windy is private, but it's shared, and the rest are like government resources. You know, you bought them. So I'm taking an opportunity to reboot. I I really appreciate your comments. I mean, I'm tearing up thinking about your comments. So be safe.